Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find the ultimate alternative Midjourney for beginners. So I'm gonna go straight to the video because it will take a lot of time for you on going with this one and I don't want to waste your time. So first things first, this is gonna be the website called Playground. Playground AI is the URL, and to get started, just create an account for free. I've just used my Gmail account to create this specific account for Playground. By the way, before we get started, I'm gonna show you the pricing. The best thing about this one is the price, of course, versus Midjourney. I'm not saying it's free 100% because there are versions, for example, $12 per month for the Pro version. Turbo is gonna be $36 a month. When I say it's best alternative, it's because all of these features, almost the same as you can get in Midjourney, is perfectly free. And trust me, it's really worth it. Now let's go back to the landing page. So once you created an account, you can now arrive on this editing platform. We call it Canva. So first things first, I want to let you know that this image is generated by the prompt cat on a table classic 70s. Now to move an image, just simply click it and hold it on your left mouse button, just like moving an image. Now next one, this is going to be another generation frame. To move it, simply click on the control button on your keyboard and left click, hold it right there. Now I want to discuss this sections over here before generating another image. So this one right here is going to be called image to image. Let me just remove that one. So this right here is going to be a section where it's going to be inspiration section, let's call it like that. For example, just generation frame for you guys, and then it will get inspiration on whatever image you input here. For example, I'm gonna input Iron Man again, the one earlier, and then this specific image will be the inspiration for my next photo right here. For example, I'm just gonna use the same prompt as the one right here. However, I have an image to image inspiration of Iron Man, so simply click on generate and we can compare the two. Without Iron Man is this one, and with Iron Man is the other one. Now while generating, I don't want to take much of your time. Let's proceed on the next feature. I want to show you guys this filter. It's going to be called filter because there's a lot of filters to choose from basically. Now if you create another generation frame, you can choose a filter from anime to deliberate to Sphere to watercolor and so on and so forth. They also have Toon here, Play-Doh, Pixel, there's a lot actually. Now before I proceed on this one, I'm gonna go back to Iron Man earlier, and as you can see, this specific image was derived from this image to image feature. Now you're gonna see an image strength right here that says 30, right? Just want to let you know, if you increase this to 100, and the image you'll get will be almost a lookalike of the photo input right here. The recommended amount for this one is 30. Next, let me just go back right here, minimize this one so we're gonna be organized. Next one is gonna be another feature that's gonna be called feature, the one earlier. Let's call it this one, pixel art. Now I'm gonna click the same prompt just for comparison. However, for this one it has this filter that says pixel art, okay? Wait for it to download, wait for it to generate. By the way, those tools right here, for example, import image, and this is gonna be the magic wand. We call it magic wand right here, the eraser and the correction pencil. So drag it right there, wait for it to finish, and as you can see, your edit may have included unsafe content. Please adjust the prompt or seed. Let's adjust the prompt or seed right there. Give it a few seconds. I'm just gonna change the prompt. For example, cat on a forest. Easy as that. Generate. Wait for it to finish. While waiting, I wanna let you know on the sections on the right now. So image dimension with this one, basically you can edit it from width to height. However, it's the same thing as editing a photo. For example, clicking on the edge, increasing the width and height at the same time. You can increase it over here also, so we don't really need that one. It's not really needed for you guys, it's really faster by using this one, okay? Next is gonna be prompt guidance. So the higher the prompt guidance is, the higher the image will follow the prompt you input. you can put this one up to the 100 number. However, the recommended amount is 7 only. Quality and detail, this is actually only recommended until 50, but the more quality and details you put, for example 150, it will give you more quality and details, but trust me, that is not always the case. So I always put this one on 50. Now seed is gonna be different numbers results in a new variation of your image, so I just put randomized seed value to get here for new variations. Basically I don't really need that because seed is just a number of things of variation you can get. I can always get new variations. So as you can see right there, improve your playground equipment. Let me just skip that one, I don't need that. And as you can see, this is a cat on the forest with the filter layer that we've chosen. Okay, let me just click on that one to minimize it and further proceed with this tutorial. Next one, number of images you wanna generate in a single prompt. Let's just click 4 because this is the maximum. And then on a simple prompt, let's just say goldfish, ocean, let's just say red, and lastly I'm gonna put classic. Okay, now just for this discussion purposes, I'm gonna input a prompt guidance of 50 or just 20 right there. Let me just remove this one because I don't want to use that anymore. And quality and details, I'm gonna lengthen it. This is just gonna be an example or an experiment for you guys also. Refinement, of course, the same thing as prompt guidance, enhances the image aesthetics and quality. Let's just put it up to 20, but the recommended is only 10. So this is gonna be a prompt. Click on generate. So while waiting for it, all of this 4 prompts right there, or these 4 frames, will be generated on this specific prompt. That's the maximum images you can generate in a single prompt. Now, while doing that, while waiting for it, I want to show you this one, the tools above. So this is one that's gonna be called eraser. Let me just wait for it to finish because it's not allowing me to click it because we're still generating. By the way, the only backlag or cons on this website is taking so long to generate. That's the only thing that I see that's not good. However, it's free anyway, might as well, right? Let's just go back on this one. So this is gonna be the goldfish. I think I just removed it. There you go. So since we've put the prompt as 200 or 100 prompt, as you can see, they followed my prompt as much as possible. Red goldfish, and then an ocean, and then it's gonna be in a red color. Basically that's it. And I want to let you know on the section right here, the tools that has actually a gallery, a pencil, and eraser. So with this one, I want to let you know that this is actually a good tool. We have 2 erasers. One is simple, basically it will remove anything. Now the one that I love the most is object eraser. I want to show you, for example, this one. I'm going to erase that bubble right there, another bubble, another, and bubble. Click erase. It will only erase the specific items that I highlighted. It will not erase everything. It will not erase the background. Now as you can see, it actually is a good tool. If you want this one right here, it's gonna be called instruction strength, which is actually another prompt, just changing the prompt inside the image. Okay, and actually if you want to download this one, you're good with this specific image, you can just click on share and then copy link and send an invite to your friends to edit it as well. Basically that's how you use this Playground AI as an alternative to MIDJOURNEY. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.